Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Look! A big car is leaving the garage. This is a crane. There's a heavy metal ball at the end of the boom. What kind of car is behind the yellow garage door? A yellow water truck. A blue water truck. A green water truck. And a red water truck. Let's put one water truck in the tank. Oh! There are balls in the water trucks. I wonder where the cars are taking them. Red, stop. Yellow. Green, go. A house with a yellow roof. Crane, press the button, please. Gently. Good job! The door opens. Yellow balls. And yellow fish. The yellow fish jumps into the water truck. Jump! The crane goes to open the next house. A house with a blue roof. Blue balls and blue fish. Jump into the water truck. Let's open the house with the green roof. Green balls and green fish. Jump! This house has a red roof. We open it. A red fish lives in this house. Jump! Ah! It's a ball pit. Now the cars fill it with different colored balls. Many, many balls. And here are fish. Swim, fish. Another. 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 Now the toy fish live here.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little red car has found a big ball. I wonder if the cars will be able to roll it. More balls. Push, little car. He's done it. The balls are rolling. The helper cars are leaving their garage for their new job. The dump truck, the excavator with a clamp, the forklift truck. It's time for the big cars to go to work. The forklift is taking the colored boxes along. He's carrying them on his forks. The little cars are still playing with the balls. Oh, the blue ball is opened up. Inside, there's a sheep stamp. The excavator is closing the ball and is placing it in the dump truck. Those probably aren't balls, but containers with stamps inside. Dump truck, where are you taking them? Animals are going to live here. The helper cars have brought all the stamps here. The dump truck is unloading the containers. The forklift is also placing its load on the ground. Ah! There are paint sponges inside the colored boxes. The excavator is opening the green container. There's a pig stamp inside. We press the stamp onto the sponge. And now we can use the stamp. We've made a red pig. Inside the orange container, there's a cow stamp. The little cars are very interested. What do you need that for? Do you also want to use the stamp? But where? Ah, he's left a stamp on the yellow car. Are you messing around again? The excavator's doing everything properly. He's using the stamps for the boards. What stamp is in the red container? A horse stamp. Look, the tractors are bringing the animals. And luckily, the excavator is just finishing up. The sheep are going to graze here. There's enough space for all of them. The doors are opening. Go on in, please. Everyone has their own pen. The pig goes oink. The cow goes moo. The horsey goes neigh. The sheep goes baa. Oh, the little happy cars are all sporting different colored stamps. Time for the helper cars to return to the garage. The stamps have to go in the dump truck's body. They also have to gather the separate container halves. And you, dirty little cars, should go to the car wash. We'll wash off all that paint. The cars are squeaky clean. The helper cars have arrived at their garage. They'll have to rest a little before they set off for work again.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Oh my! There's a storm and some very strong winds outside. The poor car transporter is going to have trouble driving in this weather. Ah, a tornado. Hold tight, little cars. Oh no! The storm is over, but all the cars are broken. One's lost a wheel, another lost his number. And the blue car's got a scratch. The red car is split in two. And the car transporter is overturned. We'll need lots of helper cars. Let's get different colored tow trucks to help. A color for each car. A red tow truck. A green tow truck. What color will these cars be? Blue, orange, and purple. The 5 tow trucks are ready to go and help. They're going to take the broken cars to the repair shop. The tow trucks are at the site of the accident. Look, the crane truck is already here. He's lifting the car transporter up. Now, let's put each car on the tow truck with the same color. The green car goes on the green tow truck. The red car goes on the red one. The blue car goes on the blue one. The purple car goes on the purple one. The orange car can get to the repair shop on the orange tow truck. They're almost there. Go on in. Let's start the repairs. What do we need? A new tire. There's one. The green car's number has come off. Where is it? There it is. The orange car is missing a wheel. Which one do we need, though? The right one. That's 3 cars fixed now. The car transporter has brought its platform down. Climb aboard! It's the red car's cabin. We need to put it in a chassis. All done. Haha, good as new. The blue car has got a scratch. Let's paint over it. We'll need some blue paint and a brush. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The scratch is gone. The cars are leaving the repair shop and getting back on the car transporter. It's taking them to the car show. And the helper cars are going back to their garage. There will probably be a new task tomorrow, so they'll need to get some good rest.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
On the road are 3 little cars. They're getting ready for a race. Little red car, go back a bit. Excellent. Now all the little cars are lined up in a row. On your marks, get set, go! Look how fast they're going. The little red car is overtaking all the others and driving round the loop-the-loop. Oh no, there's a hole ahead. Be careful. The little car has flipped over. Are you hurt? No, that's good. And there's the hole in the road. That's no good at all. We need to think of something. Little cars, where are you going? Cement mixer, be careful. Don't fall in the hole. Look, the little cars have brought some bricks. They're trying to repair the road. More bricks. Let's try to drive over them. Not very convenient. The little green car is stuck. But what if we pour little balls into the hole? Let's try that. The road is more level now. Who's going to try driving across it? The little red car. No, we still can't drive down the road. The little cars are off to find help. Helper cars, who can help us repair the road? The road roller, dumper truck, and excavator are going to work. First, they need to take the bricks and balls out of the hole. The excavator is carefully putting them into a box. There are lots and lots of balls and bricks. What's the dumper truck doing? It's pouring asphalt mix into the hole. The asphalt needs to be pressed down and leveled out. The road roller will make easy work of that. The road roller has a heavy cylinder at the front, which it uses to press down asphalt and level off the road. Great work! The little cars are so pleased that it worked. Thank you, helper cars. Time to continue the race. The puppy is announcing the start. On your marks, get set, go! And the bigger vehicles are going back to their garage to have a bit of a nap. See you soon, helper cars.